Hello people! Today we are growing crystals in 3 different ways. The first method is by using the crystal growing tree. The second is by using the crystal growing kit. And the third is by using borax. Which one do you think is going to win? I have not used borax ever. I think it's used for cleaning purposes. And these 2 boxes came from Temu. They came a bit crushed, but I think the contents are okay. 3 different trees here. So let's take it out. Here you are, paper magician. There are instructions in the back. Let's see what's inside. So we are growing 3 trees. You should do this. You see? I really hate instructions. I'll do what I can on my own. It resisted all it could, but it's on place. First tree. Second one. I think Temu has a lot of educational kits. This is a quite friendly activity for kids. It needs parental supervision, of course. No sweat, I did it. All 3 are here. There's a label in front of the instructions. It's stuck at the very top on the first lines of the instructions. I can read the rest. After liquid is completely dry, beautiful blossoms will begin to appear. The magic tree will be fully grown in 5 to 6 hours. We need patience for this. You see, it's educational, alright? I'm going to throw it in the middle. The second liquid in the second tree base. Third liquid. The liquid is getting up. It will probably get to the top and the crystals will start growing. I could not believe the results. Let me take this away. The second kit is called Steam Crystal Surprising Chemistry. We have this package, instructions manual, crystal seeds, a stirring bar, display boxes. This is also a display box. There are measuring cups. Ammonium dihydrogen phosphate. Okay, let's call it crystal powder. Open. How do you open? There you go. Purple, orange, light blue and pink. Well, what are you doing here? Pour the entire packet of white crystal powder into the measuring cup. Add boiling water. You see the steam? Stir the solution with a stir bar. You know, I won't make all 4 crystals. I'll just make the 2, just to save time. The temperature has dropped quite enough. It will take about 4 to 15 days. I know the span of time is quite big. I don't know, that's what the instructions say. Unexpected results from borax. Let's go to the borax method. We need water. We need water for this one too. I'll go boil some more water. I think this is the more complicated one, or I made it complicated because I did not get some of the ingredients I needed. Our third contestant needs all the attention he can get because there is no box here. There's just a bag where I have put the borax powder. I won't use gloves. I don't think there's something terrible with that. There's our water. It's hot enough. The temperature has dropped just a bit. So we'll be throwing borax in until the water says that's enough. And we stir. I'll use this again. Stir. I think I'll also add some food coloring so that we'll grow crystals with nice colors. I think I prefer the blue one. Is that enough? It's enough now. And what I do is I keep stirring. I think I can add some more borax here. It has already dissolved. 1 more spoon. If these crystals grow with this color, they will be so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that very beautiful? I can put this to the side. And let's entertain the kitty again. They buy pipe cleaners, they shape them to hearts, stars or anything else that you might like. They put them in the borax solution. I did not buy a pipe cleaner. I decided to do something of my own. This is mine. I don't know what you think about that. A thread here, these are some Christmas leaves, and I have attached a stone at the bottom. Again, by a pipe cleaner. I don't know how this is going to go, honestly. I leave it like that. Our 3 contestants are here, waiting for their time to shine. It's been just an hour since we created these trees. This is our 2nd contestant, and this is the mixture with borax. Look how beautiful these are. They're quite fragile though. You barely touch them and they fall apart, look. It's only been a day and they have evolved to this. This one nailed it. Let's see if the next contestant is as good. It's been 15 days, maybe a bit more. I have let the crystals air dry. They are a lot smaller than I thought they would be. This is the bottom of their display case. Let me hold it so you can see how small this is. I thought it would be bigger, more impressive. There's some pretty crystals on top, and at the bottom it's hollow. These are sturdier, nothing falls apart when you move them. They're not something super beautiful, impressive, nothing like that. What do you think? And now, let's go to our borax mix. Yes, do you remember the contraption we've made? I'm not sure I want to take this out. It does not look pretty. This is definitely hard crystal. It has built up on the branches. It's falling apart now, but I did not expect to see this result. You see, this can be a very impressive crystal. Look how it shines. This is kind of a disaster, I know. Look at that. Look what I've done. The crystal tree is not actually crystal, beautiful though. The crystal growing kit and the borax crystals. They remind me of something unique, of how crystals grow in a cave. To me, this is the winner. What do you think? And now for my surprise crystal. Here you are. It's just Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt and water. If this video felt a little different, maybe stick around, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.